Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your maximum stamina by 1 using battlefield treasure in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle. So I made this video for a new beginner in case you are limiting your stamina. So for example, I already rank 560, so my stamina is, you can say, unlimited. I have 203. So if you're a new player, you have a few stamina. You have small amount of stamina. You can increase your maximum stamina by 1 using battlefield treasure. So before that, you can get battlefield treasure from here, ultimate class event. In case you are done with it, you can tap the exchange button and go to this Baba shop and tap the treasure, this one for shortcut, scroll down, and this one battlefield memory, tap it and scroll down, try to find this maximum stamina by 1, and you can exchange up to 10 times 10 times life using 25,000 the battlefield memory treasure, and you can tap exchange. And if you already done this, you can see your stamina will increase the limit, increase maximum stamina by 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.